即马真侪民众伫厝内拢会饲动物伴，亲像德古犬这种面型较短、鼻仔毛毛的狗仔，看落是食古水。不过因为鼻仔结构的关系，互因喘气袂顺，而且行无2-3步就会喘鼻涕，对健康造成真大危害。荷兰伫2019年的时阵禁止人工甲这种狗仔拍种了后，最近阁要提案修法，要来禁止民众未来袂当阁饲这种动物伴。
美伫主人卡边的法国斗牛犬艾比今年2岁无牛食古水，因为严重的呼吸问题，行无偌济路就喘鼻涕。经过电脑断层相关检查了后，伊被送入手术室，准备接受扩鼻的手术。
Walk around to 40 minutes or half an hour, and after that she get tired.
斗牛犬扁片底面食古水，毋过这个特点，互伊喘气真无顺利，最后出现健康问题。伫荷兰的乌特勒兹动物病院，常常收治这种的狗病人。
So the issue with these brachycephalic dogs, it means short face, right? And the face is so short that all the tissues that have to fit inside don't fit anymore. And that means that breathing is more difficult to get the air in. But also the ears are abnormally developed and very narrow. The teeth don't fit together, so they get a lot of problems there. And often there's too much skin with hairs that can poke into the eyes as well.
医师将艾比的鼻仔扩张增大呼吸道，手术结束了后，艾比恢复活力，喘气明显较顺利。虽然目前医师应改善斗牛犬先天的生理结构状况，不过医师仍然对宠物近亲育种产生的健康问题提出警告。
The more pure they are, it means that more and more of the same line has been used, and that can create a lot of problems. So outcross, where you use a completely different type of dog, a mixed breed is often much healthier, correct?
医师也建议饲亲像斗牛犬这种狗仔，除了自身兽医师，上好用亲目睭看因的爸母的模样。
The puppies themselves are always shorter face, so they always look cute and very nice. But it's very difficult to predict how long the nose is going to be. Yeah, so it's best if you can see the parents.
荷兰农业甲自然部门已经提案，未来会禁止饲有危害健康的特定的宠物，也免公开展示这宠物的相片图像，已经互人饲的狗无伫这限制，希望应保障动物甲主人的权益。公视新闻郑淑芬报道。